In this video, we will show you how to set up and adjust the Klip posterior walker for the user. You should have everything you need when you receive your Klip. Assembly is relatively easy. To start, unfold the walker. Grasp the front and rear legs and pull away from each other. Continue to unfold the frame until the latch push pins snap into place and fully protrude from the hole. Now you're ready to put the legs on. Match the numbered markings on the leg with the frame. Press the push pins in and slide the leg into the frame. To adjust the height of the walker, press the push pins on each leg and slide the leg into the proper position. Always check that all 4 legs are the same height and that the push pins fully protrude from the holes. You can lock the wheels in the walker by pressing down on the green lever. You can unlock the wheels by pulling upwards. And that's all there is to it. Check your walker every so often to make sure all the screws are tightened. If you need to clean it, do so with some mild soap, warm water, and a wash rag. You can find the Klip posterior walker at eSpecialneeds.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.